YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? Back again with another video.
Before, I used to get in the markets and I wasn't patient enough to wait for the right setups, but I wasn't backtesting. And now that I'm backtesting, I see that the setups are happening every single day.
Since I am the pasta maker, you know what I'm saying? Today, I cooked for the whole entire squad. I know it's a little bit messy, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? We cooked for the whole squad, man. You know what I'm saying? That should look good, for sure. The outcome of the day might be different. The outcome of the day might be interesting, boring, negative, positive. Regardless of what it is, we're still gonna follow the same routine every single day, man. Today is Wednesday, and as you know, Wednesdays we do not trade. Wednesdays are for me to backtest, and today we were backtesting. So I just came from inside. I was doing backtesting for like 2 hours. You know what I'm saying? And what I learned today was very interesting, man, because I was backtesting Nasdaq when it comes to liquidity grabs plus 13 EMA breakouts combined together. And what I learned today was very interesting, man. But I want to show you guys right after I'm done with this 15-minute run that we're about to do right now, man. So let's get it. "15-minute run over with. Now let's go back inside. It's hot. That's why I took my beanie off, and it's raining as well. Let's go back inside. Let's review these charts. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about, man.
All right, man, so these are the results that we got from this morning. I backtested Nasdaq for the past month, which was October, only Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. And I was just backtesting Nasdaq like I would normally look at the market to see how many setups we get from liquidity grabs plus 13 EMA breakouts. And honestly, it doesn't show up a lot in Nasdaq. Like this week, for example, it showed up twice. This week it showed up only once, and then this week it showed up once, and this week it didn't even show up at all. So you know what I'm saying? I was doing some backtesting on Nasdaq. It doesn't really show a lot. On gold, on the other hand, it shows very often, man. And I also want to say this, man. I woke up today and I realized that Trump won, and I've been funding a live account, man. I've been putting money every single month. I have been putting money into a live account, and bro, now that Trump won, the markets are going crazy. Bitcoin is just hit all-time highs. I know the economy is gonna be in a better condition nowadays. So I'm really tempted to start using my live account. You know what I'm saying? I have a few money saved in there. I just put money in there. I don't use it, but it's there. You know what I'm saying? Every single month I put money in it, and so it has been growing for a while. And I'm really tempted to use it, man, just because Trump is president, man. But anyways, let me show you guys an example of what this strategy looks like when it comes to the market, because you might not understand it when I'm talking, but if I show it to you guys, then you guys will understand what I'm talking about. So this is the setup that happened right there. When I first come into the market, I see what the market is doing, and as you guys can see, we have been in this consolidation for a while. You know what I'm saying? So because we came up here, this high never broke above this high. I'm expecting this push to go towards the bottom here where these other lows are at. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm expecting. I come into the market with a bearish bias, and I'm looking for this opportunity of liquidity graph plus the 13 EMA breakout. And what is the 13 EMA, you may ask? It's basically this blue line that goes along the market, goes along the candles. Is a blue line you guys see right there. So that is what I mean. So we have to get a liquidity graph, which is this right here. The market comes above some highs, some like major highs. In this case, we didn't get a clean setup where the market comes above a clean high to take liquidity to then drop. In this case, it was not ideal, but the strategy happened. You know what I'm saying? Like in this case, this was a loser. As you guys can see, the market came up, it took these highs, and then it broke underneath and closed underneath the 13 EMA, which, like I said, is this blue line right here. So this is what I'm talking about. Market comes, takes these highs, it lives a week, a wick. It cannot close above that high. It has to leave a wick in order for it to be a liquidity graph. Market comes, does a liquidity graph, and then candle pushes down and it closes underneath this blue line. That is when I get in. And as you guys can see, this is a perfect example of what it would look like. But it was a loser. So that was a loser. And the reason why it was a loser is because this was an uptrend. You know what I'm saying? It was an uptrend, so I was counter trending in this case. But like I said, this was the clearest example that I got from this strategy, man. But yeah, when we won here, we got a bearish bias when it comes to the market. We're looking for buys, and I see that, you know what I'm saying, I see that this candle, this green candle right here comes above this high, and then this red candle closes underneath the blue line, which is the 13 EMA. So we get in as soon, I got this shit wrong. We get in right here as soon as we see that it closes underneath the 13 EMA. We get in, and we aim for a 1-to-1. You know, this they can go for even further than a 1-to-1, but our first target is always going to be a 1-to-1. So as you guys can see, it worked. But you know what I'm saying, it's not a clear example. It's not something that I want to show you guys. And the reason why I would also take this is because it's bouncing off of the 200 EMA, which is this one. This is a very strong moving average. Market loves to react on that. It doesn't mean that I'm gonna take trades based on that and that alone, but it's a very strong confluence for me to tell me that yes, we can go shorts here. So that's the only reason that I took this, that I considered taking this trade when I was backtesting. But you guys don't know what I'm talking about, right? But like I said, on NASDAQ, he doesn't show up a lot, man. It's very rare. Like, it barely shows up. But when it shows up, it might win, it might not. It's like a very, you know what I'm saying, 50-50 whether it's going to win or not. Even though I have been backtesting and I know what to look for now, I know what to avoid, and I know when to take these trades, you know what I'm saying? Because when I'm backtesting, I'm also looking at the whys. Why should I take it? Why shouldn't I take it? Oh, this is affecting the setup. Oh, this is also affecting the setup. When this happens, I should take it. When this happens, I shouldn't be taking it. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I've been doing, man. I'm putting a lot of information into my brain, and I won't lie, all of this is doing is giving me confidence, bro. Because before, I used to get in the markets, and I wasn't patient enough to wait for the right setups. But I wasn't backtesting, and now that I'm backtesting, I see that the setups are happening every single day. So now this is giving me the confidence to be patient, to wait for the right setups every single time. So that's what we're going to be doing, man. And like I said, man, the markets are going to be fired these upcoming weeks just because Trump won. So yeah, man, without further ado, this is what we got from today's backtesting. I will be backtesting ES as well next, maybe on the weekend or maybe next Wednesday, I don't know. Like, the things might change over the week, you know what I'm saying? I might see some things that I want to backtest, so we might change it a little bit, but who knows, man. But without further ado, man, I'm gonna let the video continue because the video is not over yet, man.
And just like that, man, we have made it back to another day of work, man. Let's get this money. Since I am the pasta maker, you know what I'm saying? Today, I cooked for the whole entire squad. I know it's a little bit messy, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? We cooked for the whole squad, man. You know what I'm saying? That should look good, for sure. All right, man. So right now, I'm doing this 10-minute walk. As you know, if you watched yesterday's video, I said that I was going to add a 10-minute walk to my daily routine because I used to go out for walks here and then, not often. It was like sometimes I would, sometimes I wouldn't. But it wasn't something that I would do all the time. But now, this is something that I will be doing every single day, 10-minute walks, because, you know, I eat a lot. Since I'm only eating once a day, I want to help the digestive system digest the food, because, you know, I go to sleep very early. So from now on, we're gonna be doing 10-minute walks every single day, man, right after we eat. So also, I want to end this video here, man. Today wasn't a crazy day too. Today was just a casual, boring day. It wasn't too much going on today. But regardless of that, we still got to follow the same routine that we always follow. The outcome of the day might be different. The outcome of the day might be interesting, boring, negative, positive. Regardless of what it is, we're still going to follow the same routine every single day, man. And that comes to, if you do it for a long enough time, at the end, you will have rewards, man. You will have the rewards, and that's for sure. And I also want to show you guys this, man. Look at this. It's a beautiful view, man. The sky looks absolutely amazing right now. It's just crazy. But yeah, man, without further ado, y'all take care of yourselves, man. Y'all stay disciplined in the market. I'm trying to stay disciplined as well. Tomorrow is a trading day for us, so hopefully we can get a win, man. We won on Tuesday. I'm trying to get a win tomorrow, and hopefully we can end up the week profitable, man. But without a further ado, this video is now over.